Class 5 SST, Chapter 3, Weather and Climate, Part 2. So children, in this video you are going to learn about different types of climate. So each and every country or place in the world have any of this 7 type of climate. Okay, so one by one we will see what are the different types of climate. Okay, that is the equatorial climate, monsoon or tropical climate, desert climate, continental, moderate or maritime climate, and Mediterranean climate and tundra climate. So children, first we are going to see about the equatorial climate. So from the name itself you can clearly understand. So this type of climate you can find in the places which are near to the equator. Okay, so where is equator is located? Yes, it is in the central part of the earth. Okay, so what are the continents which are passing through the equator? Yes, it is South America, Africa, right? So these are the continents which are passing through equator. So the countries which are near to the equator, they experience this type of climate, that is equatorial climate. So how is the climate there in these places? So it is very hot since it is near to the equator, but it is very humid. So we know what is humidity, right? So the moisture content present in the air, so that is called as humidity. So because of the humidity, you will be receiving much rainfall in this region. Okay, so you can see many forest, evergreen forest are found in this type of climate. So what is evergreen forest? Evergreen forest means all the trees will not shed their leaves at the same time. So different periods of time they used to shed their leaves. So that is why this evergreen forest, it remains green throughout the year. Okay, so this type of climate is mostly found in Africa. Some of the countries in Africa have this type of climate, and many animals, birds and amphibians and wide variety of species you can find in this type of climate, because life exists there in this type of climate. Okay, so the main trees which are found in this type of climate are like ebony, rosewood and mahogany. So these trees are found more in this type of climate. Okay, so next we will see about tropical or monsoon climate. So monsoon means it's a rainy climate, right? So this type of climate, summers will be very wet, but winters are dry. Okay, so the best example for this type of climate is our own country, India. So since Tropic of Cancer is passing through our country, so we have a tropical weather, which means you have wide variety of animals. Since it is wet, which means we receive more rainfall uh, in most parts of the country, right? So this type of climate is called as monsoon or tropical climate. So many animals such as domestic animals, especially goats, sheep, cows, so these are the animals which are reared more in this type of climate. So next is desert climate. So here you have an amazing image about the desert climate. So from the picture itself you can clearly understand, right? Can you tell me what do you understand about the desert climate? Yes, children, it is very hot. Okay, especially during summers, the days will be very hot, but nights will be relatively cool. Okay, and but in winters, days will be warm and nights are cold. It will be very cold during the winter season, especially in this desert climate. Okay, so in this type of climate also many wide variety of animals, insects are found. Okay, especially camels. are reared in large numbers in this type of climate. Okay. Now we will see about the continental climate. So what is called as a continental climate? So continental climate is especially it is found in the interior to the continents. Okay, it will not be near the sea coast. So for example, we can say Delhi. Okay, so Delhi, it doesn't have any sea coast. It is inside the country, which means it is interior to the country. Okay, so this type of climate have extreme weather, which means if you take summer will be very hot. Okay, you cannot bear the summers in Delhi. The temperature in summers, it will go beyond 50 degrees Celsius, whereas in winter it will be very cold, sometimes in minus also 0 degrees Celsius or common in Delhi weather. Okay, so this extreme type of climate you can find only in the places which are interior to the continent. Okay. Yes. Next we will see about another beautiful type of climate, that is moderate or maritime climate. So from the name itself you can understand that this type of climate have a moderate type of weather. Okay, so it will be neither too cold nor too hot. Yes, so especially Mumbai in our country have this type of climate. So most of the places which are very near to the sea coast have this type of climate. So next we will see about the Mediterranean climate. So here I will show you where the places which are in and around the Mediterranean Sea. So here you have the Mediterranean Sea. So these places which are near to the Mediterranean Sea, they have this type of climate. So how will be the type of climate in these places? So they have the summers which are very hot and dry, but winters will be very wet, which means they receive rains during winter season. Okay, so this type of climate is very unique, and it can be found only near the places nearing to the Mediterranean Sea. So next we will see about the tundra climate. So here again you can see an amazing picture of Antarctica. Okay, so this is near to the Arctic Ocean. So these places which are near to the North Pole and South Pole, they have this type of climate called tundra climate. So how will be the climate there? It is extremely cold. So from the picture itself you can understand it is covered by snow, right? So especially near to the poles we have this type of climate. So almost throughout the year this region, it will be covered with ice and snow. So you cannot find any vegetation, and hardly you can find very few animals near the uh, North Pole, that is polar bear, reindeer, huskies. So these are the animals which you can find in the tundra climate. So thank you children. So in this video you have learned about different types of climate. Okay, thank you.